Hello. You may wonder, what does the term health is wealth really mean? Well, it's a state of well-being that's free from disease or diseases, both physical and mental, and it is indeed a wealth. This gives a large meaning to our life, as health is considered the most valuable and precious for every individual. Good health means that not only we are absent of disease in our body, but a complete physical, mental, social, and as well as spiritual well-being of an individual. As taking care of yourself physically can drastically change your daily life in addition to your overall wealth. The way in which physical health is connected to mental clarity, focus, and wealth is well documented. Some quotes that I like are, "Health is a priceless wealth. Invest while you can. When wealth is lost, nothing is lost. When health is lost, something is lost. And when character is lost, all is lost." You can't enjoy wealth if you're not in a good health. Health is like money. We never have a true idea of its value until we lose it. Health is the greatest gift. Contentment, the greatest wealth. Faithfulness, the best relationship. Health is the greatest of human beings. The first wealth is health. All the money in the world can't buy you back good health. How are you staying healthy? And when you exercise, how do you feel afterwards? How does your body feel? How does your mind feel? And do you want to do it again the next day? Check out the clock that's next to me. Is it going fast or slow?